nipa biya wohwe ana nipa biya bobra again so ti agod da wabra bom yebisa majority of the people it is say need wo muchi your mind wa bebre o na kromia o sinipe ana onam biase o sinipe on to me kase da bi oba ko tu wo bi keke na na de ho hyehyem so on ne nko ibi sen kofu nya ye spirit ne process wo ni oba mema be ma no nda wo kam da mema be ma ni nda wo hsuo mu da okay eda echi mema be ma no nda wo da nya nya hyehyem no hwe na disho yo na mayo ya bebre da chi o me no no mesta so wo mu shia challenges e wo ma bra bo ho na ya na be yibo ni be ona we say wa start wo bo wo na o ma ni mu abeyi una hunu say wo na no ma na so ya ba wa bo life say na wo life ni say we wa na want to be ya be blame obi say o ta ye sa de no wa ahun ta ni nya pam be no de ma ni awa ye no wa ha ne ma say me man so wo so anye so adwuma wo so be go through the same thing but you know ya na ha me say ebi wa be kom na ne ma no nyame ayo ma do no ma kutu ye kesi na sa de ne bu mu ma se atwo ma san wa take an nipa bebre ye say nipa bebre show bi o bebre bi no atam ne ba no di se nipa di ya to ne ba so nipa no ni na bra bo ye ye for bank okay nipa abo ba ko tu le so o ma pa me wo ne bu su ne be nya ne so ta so
abusia sa bredi ade a akwakoye hu ade ama enema binu eye aware na womo a aware no esusu se womo aware yi womo so aware ni so be kwa aware ni so womo nim de etwe se pelifo se aware na akasa fa wo kwaya na wabisekese ne kwan wa we nim na eye video bi a aba betwie e wo media ne so a wo ba bi a oni ne kunu nete na wo fa ne kunu na chi be ma ne se wa mo ne so oba na wo so oba ni ne ya wo ye nyina kire se wo fa machi na so wonya adanse bi fa ne sanso mo se no nyina wei ana wodi oba na nta no kopi oba no so nya olinse ni se oba no ana wobi akwa kopie mu akohye mu hotel ana o se ne meba okofre oba no ne papa kan ho ana agusia ode metina kam se o menko enkoja no konko che na ade kodi ode kwachre oba ne papa me kam ho ne enkohwe.
Nonsense hotel is this? No, what kind of nonsense hotel is this? Why will you invade my privacy like this? No, I can't take this from you. I can't take this from you. What? How? What?
Why are people recording me now? You should stop it.
You don't know before you are. Don't you see your guy?
Welcome, sir.
Oh my God.
This is your daughter.
You bring my father now. Why?
This is your daughter. This is what he has been doing all this while. But I've been monitoring her, watching her. Today I got her, so I decided to bring you to see it in your eye.
What kind of bad people is this now? What?
This is the girl I paid something for.
Oh my God.
I paid for car. It's remaining the white wedding. This is what she's doing.
This is what you brought upon this family.
Sorry.
Felicia, your wedding is a few weeks or months from now. And you have found, where is the young man? Come, found in a hotel with a man?
This is the stupid
After
boy.
all what this young man has, oh my God.
This is a stupid boy. What is there is that all the money I spent, I want you to transfer it for me. Whatever you want to do with your daughter, just do with her. I don't want her again.
Oh my God. What do you want me to tell my family members?
Please, I'm sorry. What's wrong with
What
you now?
What do you want me to tell? Oh my God.
No, I can't take this. I'm leaving this.
Young man,
Go back.
No, leave him, please. It's not his fault.
I'm going to leave this place.
It's not his fault. Just leave him.
To this family.
The issue.
After we've done all preparations, this young man has fulfilled all he needs to fulfill, and you are here in the hotel with a man. All the money he has spent, how do we return the money back to him?
Daddy, please, no.
All the things we have, the preparation we have. Oh my God, this is.
Jesus Christ.
Oh.
People, God will not forgive people.
You, I need to ask you a question. You know that your wedding is remaining few weeks. And the money I'll be given to you in buying something, preparation and everything. What makes you to go to a hotel to meet a man?
Wedding card, done everything, bought everything. 3 weeks to your wedding. What satisfaction are you looking for? that you cannot wait to get married. This is the shame you have brought upon this family.
People should stop recording me now. What's the meaning of this?
My in-law.
There is nothing there. There is nothing to say again. I have nothing to say. If you are the one, you saw this girl like this, will you accept this same woman as your wife?
This is the highest of betrayal.
So what is there is to settle me back. Maybe you people will look
Where is
another
where is that young man? You get that young man, he will come to the house, he will
just refund.
It will not happen again, please.
It will not happen again. Which man will accept this?
It's not your business. What's your business?
My business is that I don't like a woman doing this to a man.
Take off the video first. This is family issue. Just take off the video.
What's your business?
Stop recording us, please.
Okay,
Please,
you need to
tell your man to
business.
stop recording us. This is family business. Let us see how we can handle this thing. The disgrace has already been made already. This is the height of a girl whose wedding is 3 weeks time from now. And then the husband brought me here. I didn't even know this one was bringing me. I didn't know this one was bringing me to.
He didn't tell you that you are coming
He didn't tell
to...
me I was coming to. He said he wants to tell something. Well, let us come and discuss something. He didn't tell me this one. I'm coming to what I'm coming to meet. Which father will be proud to have this
If I'm telling her, they will not believe. They will think I'm making up story. That's why it's
Please, young man, stop the recording now. Please, stop the
You
recording.
see how much to talk?
You don't have
You
shit.
see how much
You are
to
still
talk?
talking?
Respect your father even if you don't respect us.
You are still talking?
Eh? Hey,
After all, do you know the shame you brought upon the family?
Jesus Christ. Hey, I'm sorry.
You are supposed to hide your face in shame, not even to be talking. Where do I go from here? All the money this man sent, whenever he sent it, we try to execute everything. We put a wedding card, bring the souvenirs, bought the cow. Am I going to return the cow to the house man I bought it from? Where will I get 3 point something million to fall to transfer back to him now? The young man you brought here and this man, who is even finer? How do you want me as your father to feel?
Please.
So, all these things that's happening is now left for you and your father-in-law. That, like, seriously, baby girl, what you have done to your father is not okay. And this young man,
Very shameful.
these are things you're supposed to. Even if you needed a man, you have him. You can call him. This is not okay for you at all. Do you understand me? This is not okay for you at all. So a lot of you people out there watching this video, and people need to people need to learn like this. People need to learn from what is happening. So before you get married to, there are things you needed to know. There are things you needed to know. If this young man is not looking to know when he told me, he said we should look, this girl is doing like that. Okay, try. Let's see something. Let's see how the girl, whether she'll go. The girl, she started going, monitoring her and all those things.
The honor.
Sir?
I beg you, this video must go down, please. I'm a reputable person in my society, and if this is seen anywhere, it's a very, very big shame to our family. This girl has done her own. Now you put this in online image.
Actually, what I am going to do, what I'm going to do is to I can blur your face. I'll tell them to blur your face. If likely, if you want me to blur her face again, I will blur her face. Just like that. You know how to set it. Before coming here, I've told people that, okay, this...
Video ya yɛkɔhwɛ yi ni mbisa sɛ na wawe no honhom bi na ayɛtaka wawe ana ɔno sɛ wadi we abranti ababa na ɔhwɛ me we ma wo hia no ɔba wo hia no ye bisa nsa na wawa we abranti ababa wo hwɛ me ɔba wo kɔware hwɛ apam na ewu ne bishi okay we abranti na ababa na ɔhwɛ me ya to bai so bano ne ma ne ti ase a ọpọ ne ma me ko din kom and I say ne ma me go the same thing but we are not maybe okay it's your You are I am so very looking to that. You will also a shoe buy. No, you are shoe possessor. The run up coincidence into you are. I don't know a Pia Bontino. And your first time I oil Wayat and now the wapa. You could be our ocean and I could be a bobber. I didn't so be a good wabra of Yibisa.
Okay.
So it's all bobber is here. What down your shop for, what down your shop for, what down your whoever. I didn't say be a go or brother of Yibisa. Oh, bobber, I could now say, oh, young man, Koya. No, sure. What the difference? No, Yibisa.
Okay. It's we get me and say, send your walking. Bearman, why near Bisa? What's a band for walking on year Bisa? A Bisa now, Cassa, and a year, yes, a bear me penal, and now I am a bad woman, a Bisa, and a young woman.
A Bisa, who sharp on the wood.
Okay.
And then the idea of anything as a teacher. You see, what we are a woman yet day. One yet day. You see, so I'm what you. People to me, but I'll sit assembly to me. A team probably, but you never buy all margin phone also. A team probably. And you find chances as from practicing a shower. You one, it is better so people be.
Okay.
So we do not quite to or I have mistake. And now, Mama. So, when I am 10 years, I probably will show. Now, only our permanent money, and 4 years on an hour. Make time, or say upon or to some amount. See, when you probably war, or yes, I didn't be and suddenly, I shall say, are not it is better said. And I'm one now only planning to assess him over to an ammonia. No one shall shoot something. About one for any kind more. Who do any kind of barber?
Would it for first our realm say, what you want now, then maybe this is no Comaria. Was it the Busiano is in an idea? And the Cocogia warranty, but who are no band would know, but never pan and mammy who are band, not the number. Almost no worry, and manage money quite be a same being. And nay, Niana Menantia Paco who sell bearing and pay them away and managing of him. And no cry here while the baby actually no bank of a baby and another before page. A year subino and then no yen to me share also. In there, I say, in there, no.
Minigosh. The two baby are. Upon whom we said, okay. The two baby are. The one who is in a year. I dear sent us ever simple. The young so you see. Now, we didn't bring up. See, you can be a little bit pumpkin. Okay. Oh, you want to be complaining, and then there may be a and then to win the stadium, Shiani. So, I teach on another bobra. Now, it is Shiani Nipano. I quite say, challenges you got it is Shiani the media. It took Robin to identify problem. I said, you are one another DNA always capan or the Luciano or Jai baby quite. Okay. This old son, I won't sorrow you, but we are done. No, be one, I found you when you show my own to and done. So you are Dr. Kuko, tell the candidate out to a bontim, my dear. So I need the no Betty and no cash on penny, nor your first in Tifia, said there. And Dammy said, you also want to wish you ever to hear your way to mother. Okay. Son of Abonabot. Abrabon is one thing about Brassan. Here, people be in the year, I can say. One so you do not keep paper. One say, but you are not the public. But you find the cook, you be your nature. We probably face these challenges. I did here. You know, I did effort it is sunny. Majority of the people it is sunny to much. It's only make Abrabobia woman in our best start. Oh, first, no. First, in the year. Then you might call ye pound. Oh, now your party may be a shop or na the way is to ade no kra na nya go na who starts to complain say who say okobra san
Okay.
and two na nka be compare first na be dia meta kra na jar first ni na you na wo hwe wo stage a wo gi mu le and na be mo wo so okobra no ko wi abramo wan gina na
Okay.
do okobra e bangu chi kwan wo abramo
Odifo wo se wo kasa no ka se obi wo wa ye honhum bi na ehye no e ma ne koye saade enti mi bisa se bibi wo wa nipa ne ba ma sa honhum ko na ba ba shi bi na ne ho kwan aba na
yo mai wa bebre o na promia o sinipe ana na biasi o sinipe on tu mi kase da bi o ba ko tu wo bi keke na na de ne ho hyehyem so on ne nko yi sen ko fu nya ye spirit ne process wo
enti wo mo no mo ye bibi na sa spirit ni wo ho kwan be process wo mo ana
ebi wo yo nan kasa na shuba ni o ko da ne bi obi wo ba me ma be ma no nda wo ka mu da me ma be ma ni nda wo shu mu da
okay
e da echi me ma be ma no nda wo da nia nyamia hyehyɛ no hwɛ na disho
okay
yo na mare ya de bebre da che o meyi no no mesta se wo mu hia challenges e wo mabra bo e ho na ya na beyi bo ni bebi wona mo se wa start wo bo wo na na wo ma ni mu abeyi wona hu ni se wo na na no ma no so ya ba wa bo life se ne wo bo life ni se wo hu wa na want to be ya be blame obi na se bia ma no bo su se o ta ye sa de no wa utai ahun ta ni nya pam
okay
shumu wa wuemu na de eye so simple mam ayo na ba wo mu shia be ma within a seconds just say the pension on betu ya no okay at that moment if you ugina woni apam na say sunsu me twemo du wa ma ho kwan sa na so betu ni wa ananti Tina ya more of a different spiritual marriage. I want to shoot na konya pam. Na you will be no sure on the pabu. Nti wo go bra na nyama be koyia. Na so wo bi na ni pa se ba what ni tia na so ni pa no shushu ni di tia. Wo se ni pa ni boy se ni papa bera bra bo ma. Oni ni pa ni di si mu pe. Na de na atia sa. Nti hwa obi o ta shi da ese. Obi ni ne da bia no. Maybe your complaints or I share disappointment, promise and faith about the of one abra bomba. I didn't hear. Who are probably a woman so was up. And when you walk up amount, no one you go to a shimmer and you should do.
okay Odifo we here see automatically they are big we bear 1 out of 1,000 dinner na man bet me aka say me dey acho ba na me sign na tena bi say na esi bia ware ja ye ne beba it me grant say bisa say aware no so what ase a ya na science bi wo beba say bia spiritual science bi wo ho no a eyi ne ho adi wo mo abon say ade ye be dey ma ware ya na say ye attack na man hwe yi aware bi
Papa be you see on the apartment that we to keep on pokoko. Ti be ma bi wo a wo ya kebia na attack wo accuse. But I am more one nipa we be say a nipa imagination but no ntisa. But when keep on saying that to you, or more say no we nya ba. No bi wo say me ye kra wo kasa me ye me ye. Say woni obi nam na nipa ne fa wo tia. Obre wo be man obre was.
okay
Nti mama bebre face challenge especially wow yire ta for omuchi. Omo ta face ekisanye embo brana awun se nyame piki. Ni mama fa story bi pi. Man bi no ni Ghana na wa kwentu. Na no bring kata ho pa. Nti ofre prophet Adona na ye bi sane ade a. Na nke so ma na yire mba.
okay
Na meye enyam edwuma bi ama na ade abre no. Nti bi keso ma na yire mba no na o ma na yire ba. Yire ba ye bi ko na bi sense ade nti no si wo bi connect. Oto wo shi. Asema ka je mi say mo wo fase. Bi connect konya che. nti ɔtena hɔ a bɛrima ne mmaayɛ a ɔno nso bɔ aberewa nti mi ke bɛrima ne ti akwantuo mu ɔmona ne musu yi abɔ ɔbaa no so yɛ bi ti wɔ Ghana ebi mu ayɛ maame ne nkɔm dɔkɔ wɔ esi obi nti bɛyɛ dɛ na bɛrima no nea wopɛ wo ana ɔbra no a wobɔ no nyama bɛkɔ yie ama ɔbea ɔyɛ saa deɛ no ebi kɔmiti the boyfriend ekyi anaa ne partner bi ɔne nam ekyi no sɛ nipa no complain ne dwuma ne sikasɛm a ayɛ na wɔn nkasa wɔbie mu
ɔdifo yɛn kɛ bere ho asɛm na ebi a na afei wɔbɛbisa sɛ spiritual consequences bɛn na wɔ hɔ ɛde ma saa act ma yɛn di kɛ ne ebi wɔ hɔ mansa
wo sɛ ndɛ yare bebree na edi nipa wɔ iye nya wɔ asase so bɛyɛ wɔ yare bi a akɔyɛ korankora yare a wiase yɛ agye ato sɛ ani otu ni o da yare bi sɛ diabetes edi nipa ya paa na ama nipa bebree sɛbisɛbi ome ma yɛ koraa no akɔfɔ wɔyɛ diabetes ɛbati sɛ wɔde ɛna yɛ type 1 and ɛyɛ type 2 ne yɛ bi no ma control sugar no na ɛma sugar no ɛbɛda level a wɔawo nam a ɛdi onya diabetes ama nipa bebree sɛbi ebi okɔ na nipa ɛnya problem ne yɛ bi no ma ɛbɛtu ase ama wɔahyɛ nyame bi ɛna wɔahyɛ secretary ɛne cardio wɔawɔ pressure na bp di onya ne ne ntɔn yɛ duro ne sa yare wɔfɛ do na me ntɔn yɛ duro ne sa yare ɛna abrabɔ na awobɔ na ayɛ nkɔ besie no one thing is sɛ bi yare na yare ne di nya kyɛ na ɔbɔ papa mi wɔ diabetes papa mi wɔ pressure na mi bp na sɔrɔ ama ne duro a ɛkwan yi so no wɔn no abrabɔ no esunsun ne wɔn ɔwɔ sɛ wɔyɛ bisa nipa ne hyɛ bere ne sɛ na abrabɔ no ɔbɔ ɔkwan yi sɛ ɔbɛhyia sɛ ɔtae anaasɛ ɔmo amaneɛ wɔ n'abrabɔ sɛ woyɛ bisa a ebi wɔ yare no bi wɔ kɔ yɛ ntɔm a obi na watɔ yare ama osunsun obetumi abɔ odua ɛde yare bi ato so ɔbɛko asase so hospital ni asosɛ na yare sɛm nti sɛ pressure na ɛha no obi na ɔde ne gya ɔyɛsi dɛ mu ne tam pressure bi bi ma wɔn aboa sɛ meyɛ bisa mu na hwɛ mu adeɛ na mu sɛ yare na ebi nya no abɛ sɛ obi wɔ kɔ na ɔne obi firi bi no kɔ no kɔ anya awɛ ndɛ ebusua a papa bɔ bra na owu na ɔde agyapadeɛ gya na wɔn nkyɛn a etum bɔ si sɛ wɔn wudie ni but ne mu sɛ wɔn anya kɛse sɛ nukwa na ɔde ɔno ade ntia ti yare bi abɛhyɛ so wɔkɔn nko na waba mi hɔ ni o don pay about tea ni o cartridge ni o bam ɛna ni wɔsi atika about sɛ wasra city na twetwe sɛ okoto bi sɛ wɔn nan ɛsi wɔn na wotu bi si hɔ a ɛsɛ mpanyinfoɔ bi wɔ ɔnan ase anaa wɔkyiri dompe na ɛyɛ ɔya anaasɛ wɔti fa na edwa na ma sisa dompe mu eduro dompe mu ha pii a wɔde nam asase nye bi no mo so ntia yɛ resare ba etu ase when accident mpo na dompe mu bebi aka sɛ yɛn fa dade nhyɛ nipadua no na yɛ ɛho na atɔ kyima ɔso etu nye bi no ma ayɛ resare ba ɛhyɛ nyame di nti sɛ yare a wɔbɛnam na resɔre a mata na edu ama amamboa nti yɛ bisa ma wa ɛne bɛbɔ wɔyɛ dream services ɛne brain power ne high vibration nipa wo da wɔn so da yɛ nsusu nipadua no ada two ebi wɔ spiritual ne obi kyesi ana obi pɛ wɔ sɛ yɛ bi nti wada esuo no bia a obitumi so da yɛ bɛho na de si ne etutu ɛkyɛ sɛ niwasi bi bɔ wakɔ mu nti sɔre nti fa sɛ woda hɔ so da yɛ na wɔde wo nemu saa na akɔ nti woda na wo so da yɛ na wobɔ bra na nyama mfa wada wo ma sɔre wɔ abrabɔ so na abrabɔ no tena fa akɔ enyiam nti wɔn nyɛ bi ne wada esuo ni wɔn ma ama woda hɔ so da yɛ kɔ ada esu de yɛ detox detox nipadua no yi fi wie wɔ nipadua no ma ne sane ɛna wɔhwɛ stomach ulcer yɛ wɔn ti sɛ wɔde ɛna yɛ ulcer one and ulcer two no wɔyɛ bi no ma ɔhwɛ nti ɛyɛ sɛ bɛbɔ ahyɛ ɔbɔ ade yi kɔkɔɔ ne yɛ wɔyɛ kɔɔ yɛ ba ti bi ɛkɔ kɔ di nya a wakɔ deɛ asi ntu da say if you say go come when you say you should you be no matter if you say your body for you no you waste about here as you see a rocky this ya enti ama this you be no more so enti I am sacrifice your body for you we are straight to here o two pump no be o wa na mo ja fi number ana obi o asthma severe one we be no more don say nyame to the bible say bi bia ba na fa na ha nsa yare bia de na ma sa hwehwe a wa pena ntem na wo hwe obi o fibroid we say fibroid and no do but let me say fibroid and no do
Okay.
because masa fibroid yare ni pump the brain more fibroid and then you are doctor so we call on or yeah or share no nipa no fibroid no I say ko prophet adona obi a fibroid wa pa me o e dia dance ya wo hwe dia dance say the fibroid no e ni obi
Okay.
fibroid ya dia ogu betu si wa wo no kwan nde CS be no operations aye ni ko be awo dia to because of fibroid na nko yi wa wo dia na me nko yi operation ko twa so e be fi obi betu ya mo wo tu ase ama wo wo ya resa atumi ananti asa so so aba obra we stop drinking about tea so we should be what ton sami mo di me tie onya na ya resa o de obi wo onya post bi wo dwuma na wada no komisini obi wo nso oba betu kwan obobra bi na se bio abebom me de ne se abrabo wo de ni kan bo obere show abrabo so ya ye wo di dia be se bi obram ye for you wo josh se ya wo oba so wo dwuma se wo obra tutu nyama wa wo so obra no bo bi papa be wa kwema na bibia be ko me twire sorry we new booster have tea two system no man what dey make to do we stroke about tea say stroke na kan wa to so one na say atil na night tea wa ku di tia wo bi so ni bia stroke aka na to a form of stroke ben onye bi no mo so tea aya saba aya ambre ni tia na nya da je cheche yi to the yare bia wo ku e wa asase so one o say yi bisa yare ni tea we we are rewo woman bi a we si fie we tukwan no ku yare we tia bre the problem is what we feel na ma so market
Any panini
na any parent and the boy that feel na na says we feel the problem we are healing body show power activation and a PT2 so we be no ma e ma ukra na yete e yen haban wo say haban na so wo we be twira ko di tware a be thing so gbogbo ti bo baby ama ukra baby so we be there say ma wo yen the bonus ma tan ko so aka say we should be abofo we be now because we pa wo ukra na tu no mo de a e ye so be tu afa so ti na me be there wo ti wa there we are on with so many years now, baby, and the prophet I don't make. I said, oh, shut up, this thing. Papa, you need me, Yamadu, which is basically you with the Madu, your brother. We are both baby, one you petit foot in a which not more brother scooter. And we share in yet, be our two, so we should be here. We should be one some cry over.
Therefore, so will be BBC spiritual consequences when all the matter.
Near for Hanema. So a man shall also unnecessary to more. One should go through the same thing. But you know, I am how many say. If you have a cold man in man of Yamia or Madonna, what could you be? That's how they never go in my trauma. It's Abraham said, I won't go to one among the so very careful. One ya, a bit treat your baby at one, bit teach him. The people of the embrace say, if you are one say, give to my physical say, ya brava, what payment. Baby, baby, ne mammy and papa and the bush in the and then you be an idea, but to mistake and nipple the brain and say, Nipple the brain show be all baby, no tummy, the body, not is anybody out to the bash. If I don't mean a bravo here for bounty. Nipa abo back to whom they show one more public only machine, the Indian shoes. In the Yama because of TikTok, my to the buff. No say if one in there, TikTok soon a woman shell or phone. TikTok soon will be a shell, a problem with some, but 2 pieces. Say, Prophet, I don't know your life. Now I'm picking the page in us. Now, before, no, can I worry me say, or can I problem me say, or can I burn all one? Okay? So, what was them 2 bedroom one? Bigger tea. It's a really how. Then before me, yet, what TikTok, now, YouTube, and social media platform, share. Me Prophet, I don't know, put up them out there. Me say, this one in normal. After say we program. No friend, not need to more back door. Okay. Therefore, one is in this TikTok so that the new page in our social. You want me, one way already say. One see one the how about. Okay, page TikTok in social. As you be in too. So you be about drop to do it a sign. Okay. And so you be lama. But what the channel you be the only shan taraba. And taraba was and the creative. You was a creative. So soon yeah, only to make 12 hours. Okay, before. Okay. You know how before we get to social media. And your social media now connect people now quite the who shame, no set upon me will be able to apam. Let me tell you, the apam. The shadow of the bush was a permanent woman, say, I will show you nipper and wash and nipper. Say, oh, we are about one tell because on the bush on the 2 skull. No, to me, you are fast and done. Also, back to me, fast and said before not. I'm all fast. Then I can't fast and no one and they want cat. And me and the cook wasn't. You need your secret is your power. The way I'm there, social media, no, a passage is running. But we pay to one on social media. Okay. We pay actually, yes, especially TikTok. Okay. This will be young church. We need to church. Now, for what problem happens, you know, to our brand new power, we did not only be fit. Okay. We have a life in all tier, you pan in church. And the Wabba Gina should see a new pan in church and in commission of a where we announce a pine, you should see me. No, I found a number. No, for Papa, me how we A, B, C, D. And a more benefit. The bacteria in the Virginia, Balcon was a warrior sem, and now warrior oko, and a bema men and number in Jimmy, the man, Shema Dio. TikTok should be sure what you are doing, Mamma. Before Maxi. I'm the one, yes, I'm okay. See, I'm one was none of the fetish. Then you for the doors. You may be an extreme. About the young should be another video of my dreams again. Amen. I was here, but as a 7-year brand daji at the share. And the idea of training in a CMA or for Adonai and a board and common message. So, with our comments, our comment section of all the social media handles in too much GH. Also, subscribe, like, and share, now for social media, dark road, and unity, my crap.